that rain.
Young and sorry, yeah, that's me. 1400 these pants.
Yo, I need a jump, bro. Every time I fucking try to start the car, you start it, bro. Like this shit ain't weird, bro. I just fucking fixed this car yesterday, bro. Like, damn, bro. Do you think you can fucking pick me up, bro, or help me get a jump, bro? Real quick, bro.
Yo, bro, I'm ready to pull up. It's been like 20 minutes. I'll be on the way, alright? God, fix this piece of shit.
Boy, bro, what's up, man?
How you doing,
No,
bro?
thank you for pulling up on me.
Man, we always on the fucking side.
I know, man, but we just fixed the tire yesterday, bro. We just did this shit. Now the fucking battery just died on us and shit. This shit, like, look at this, like, that's such a bullshit ass car.
About to get into that bitch ass nigga car. That bitch ass nigga left too.